how do I treat fungus on crepe myrtle? This is Hope in Queens, New York.
Yes.
So crepe myrtle, Queens, New York.
Yeah, see, that's again, it's the range. It's in a, not that its normal range. It's kind of outside its range or close to being outside its range. So it's going to be a little bit more stressed.
Right.
And she's just going to have to spray it with like something like Daconil to get rid of the fungus.
Right. What kind of fungus you think it is? I thought powdery mildew.
I was thinking it's either powdery mildew or it could be she had aphids on it.
It could be aphids, right.
And so it's sooty mold.
Right.
It's one of those two.
So it's either sooty mold or powdery mildew.
Right.
If it's sooty mold, I'm definitely thinking it's from the aphids because the crepe myrtle bark scale hadn't gotten there yet.
No, there's no crepe myrtle bark
It's out of
there.
the range. Right. So it'll probably be aphids. There's an aphid species for every plant species that's
There
out
is.
there.
There
It
is.
seems like. So it's probably sooty mold. If it's sooty mold, you have to control the aphids.
Yeah.
Right.
Definitely.
Mother Nature take care of the sooty mold for you.
Yeah.
Right. If it's the powdery mildew, then what?
Then that's when you do the Daconil.
Right.
And you can use it for you can treat the sooty mold with the Daconil too, but it's not going to help that the aphids are still there.
Right. So yeah, maybe stressed.
Maybe stressed, a little bit
like
stressed.
we mentioned, maybe stressed. But yeah, if it's powdery mildew.
So I would give it a little fertilizer in the spring, when beginning of the growing season, and help it out a little bit.
Help it out a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we appreciate that question, Hope. It'd been nice to see,
Oh, a picture would have been great.
Yeah, just a picture. Yeah, just to kind of see. But yeah, we definitely think it's either sooty mold or powdery mildew.
Yeah, it's one of those two.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.